Good morning, students. So today we will be doing a new topic of chapter number 6 of NCERT book, Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. And the topic, as you can see, is the highest common factor, HCF. You have already done LCM, lowest common multiple. Now today's topic is highest common factor, or HCF. Now there are two ways to find the HCF of numbers. Okay, there are two methods or two ways. The first method, as you can see here, it's written prime factorization method. It's prime factorization method. Now here the word used is prime. Now all of you know what are prime numbers. The prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, one and itself. That means a prime number is a number which is divisible by one and itself. Okay, so as the name suggests, you have to use only prime numbers. You cannot use composite numbers. Okay, so let's start. So the first question is, find the HCF by prime factorization method. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. The first question is 140 and 196. Okay, it's 140 and 196. So let's start. So 140 you have to do like this way, okay, this box type. So 140, first it is divisible by 2. So 2, if 140, if 2 divides 140, then what will be the answer? 70. We have written here 70. Then 70 again with 2, answer is 35. Then 35 with 5, 5 7s are 35. Remember, always these numbers, you have to use the prime numbers. See, 2, 5, 7, all are prime numbers here. In case of 196, first with 2, if you divide, your answer will come 98. Then again 2, it will come 49. Then 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now, you have to write like this way. 140 equals to, what to write? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. And 196 you will write 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now what is the method? Now, here you have to circle the common numbers. See, here there is 2. And here also there is 2. Okay. So for this 2, we will write here 1, 2. Only one times you will write. Now another, again common here 2. And here 2. So here you will write only one times. Any other common number? Yes. This one 7. And this one 7. So for this you have to write only one time 7. So this is the way. You have to circle the common numbers and you have to write down only one time. Okay, only one time. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are 28. So the HCF of 140 and 196 is 28. Okay. The next number you can see here, 540, 315 and 360. Now next three numbers. Like this you can find out the HCF of 4 numbers, 5 numbers, okay. So you have done first one, these are 2 numbers. And second one we have done for 3 numbers. 540, 315, 360. So let's start again. So first one for 540 with 2, 270. If we divide with 2, our answer will come 270. Again 270 with 2, 135. 135 with 5, your answer will come 27. 27 with 3, 9 3 is 27. And again 9 with 3, 3 3 is 9. Okay. Now 315, 5 63 times. We have written 63. Then 63 divided by 3, 21. And 21 divided by 3, 7. Next one, 360. 360 divided by 2, 180. Now listen, 360 is also divided by 3 and 360 is also divided by 5. Both are prime numbers. You can use any one. You can use 2 here, you can use 3 here, you can use 5 here. No problem. I have started with 2. So 2 into 180. Again 2 times 90. Again 2 times 45. 5 times 9. And 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now, the same way you have to write 542 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here I have written. Okay, this one is 540. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. For 315, 5 into 3 into 3 into 7. And for 360, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. This one. Okay. Now we have to circle the common numbers. So let's see the common numbers. So here you can see 5, yes, 5 is common. 5, 5, 5. Okay, so here write down 1 5 into. Next we have 3 common. 3, 3, 3. So write down 3. Again we have 3 common. 3, 3, 3. So write down 3 common. Now anything? Now see, 2 is not common because 2 is here and 2 is here. But here there is no 2. Okay. 7 is only here. But here and here there are no 7. So only this. So HCF is coming 5 into 3 into 3. So 5 3 is a 15, 15 3 is a 45. So the HCF of 540, 315 and 360 is coming 45. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. So here we have to use only prime numbers. Okay. Now the next topic is long division method. Long division method. Now what is now this method is most suitable to find out the HCF. Now what is the method? So first you can see the question. Find the HCF by long division method. So the first question is 360 and 456. Now what is the method? One I have done here. Now since the method is division method, you have to divide. First 360 and 456 I have written here. So first 1 time 360. After subtraction it is coming 96. Now listen it very carefully. Now what is the next rule? Next step actually. First 1 time it is coming 360. After dividing it is coming 96. Now this 360 you have to write down here. Now 96 3 is a 288. Again after subtraction remainder is coming 72. Now this 96 you have to write here. So 72 ones are 72. Thus after subtraction it is coming 24. Now this 72, this divisor, every time you have to write here. And 24 3s are 72. Now remainder is 0. Here you have to stop. Now which one is the HCF? Now this thing you have to remember. The last divisor is the HCF. Remember, the last divisor is the HCF. So which one is the last divisor? 24. So your HCF is 24. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next one I will do it for you. The next question is 1435, 1085 and 2135. Now see, for 3 numbers you can start with any 2 numbers. I am starting with these 2. You can start with first and third. You can also start with second and third, anything. I am starting with first and second number. So this one 1085 and 1435. So first 1 time 1085. Okay. After subtraction it is coming 350. Now give this divide sign, and what is the rule? This 1085 we have to write down here. 1085. Okay. Now 3 times 1050. So again, after subtraction, it will come 35. Now give this divide sign. You have to write down 350. Now all of you know 35 tens are 350. So which one is the HCF? 35. So HCF of 1085 and 1435, the answer is coming 35. So here you can write down but this is not the end. Another number is there. We have 2135. Now how to do this 2135? Now with this HCF, you will divide 2135. With this HCF. Now how? Divide 2165. Now do this division. So first 6 times 210, after subtraction it is coming 6, and then here you have to write down 565. Now it was sorry, I think there is something wrong. Sorry, this is 2135. Sorry, so just neglect this one. Okay, this is the question is 2135. So let's divide 35 with 2135. 35 with 2135. So first 6 times 210, after subtraction it is coming 3, and then write down here 5. Now 1 times 35, remainder is 0. So which one is the final answer? I already told you the last divisor is the HCF. So what is the method? First with 1085 and 1435 we have done with these two numbers, your HCF is coming 35. And next one again we are doing it 35. Next one, what is the step? With this HCF you have to divide the third number, which is 2135. So 35 if you divide, the remainder is coming 0. So the last divisor is the HCF. So your final answer is 35. That means the HCF of 1435, 1085 and 2135 is 35. So you can write down HCF of 1435, 1085 and 2135 is equals to 35. Okay, I hope the method is clear to all of you. You can take any question and can practice at home, but this method is the most suitable method for large numbers. So this is the method, as I told you. You can take any 3 number or any 4 number also, and you can repeat this method. So your final answer is coming 35. So today up to this much. Thank you.